joining me in my SAP S for HANA training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will review, activate new asset accounting, and create chart of depreciation. Okay, let's go to SPRO or SIMG. Go to your command field and type SIMG. Hit enter. And from SAP Customization Implementation Guide, go to Financial Accounting node. And from Financial Accounting node, go to Asset Accounting node. And from Asset Accounting node, go to Migration Asset Accounting new. And from Migration Asset Accounting new node, go to Migration from Classic to New Asset Accounting node. And from Migration from Classic to New Asset Accounting, go to Activate Asset Accounting new. So execute this. As you can see here in our test server, the asset accounting new is already activated. So if it's not yet activated to on your computer or instance, select activate and then save. Okay, and create a new customizing request. So let's go back. That's it for activating new asset accounting. Let's go to create chart of depreciation. So from financial accounting node, we're still in asset accounting node and also in migration and asset. From asset accounting node instead of migration accounting, let's go to organizational structures. And from organizational structures, we can see here copy and copy reference chart of depreciation slash depreciation areas. So execute this. Okay, so first we will go to copy reference chart of depreciation, then specify description of chart of depreciation, and then copy delete depreciation areas. Okay, so from copy reference chart of depreciation, double click this. So from here, use this copy icon, copy or object, and you will have this the copy window from chart depreciation to chart depreciation codes. So click the search. We will use the Great Britain as this is our uh, country. So 0GP, that's it. S Sample chart of accounts depreciation, Great Britain. Double click or highlight and then click check or next button and put in your new chart of depreciation. I'll be using ZAB2. This function, interval, so just check. You really want to transport number ranges? Yes. And create a new customizing request. Click click new to create a new customizing request and then put in copy chart of depreciation. Okay. And put in your company code -2k2 and then click save or hit enter and then click continue or hit enter. Chart of depreciation 0GB copied to ZAP2. Okay. So now in our window, we already have an object. So let's go back. So this time we will specify this description of chart of depreciation. So double click this line item. So find your newly created chart of depreciation, which we assigned as ZAB2. Click position, chart of depreciation ZAB2. Hit enter, and that's This is what we copied, so the description must also copied. Let's change it to chart of depreciation DUK2. I hit enter and then click save and create a new customizing request. Yeah, and we will put in specify description for chart of depreciation. Let's put in our company code, DUK2, and then click save or hit enter, and then click continue or hit enter. So the data was saved. So let's go back, and here we will use copy delete depreciation area. So from here, double click the copy delete depreciation areas and write our chart of depreciation is ZAB2 and then click check. Okay. So we have the following depreciation areas: book depreciation, that's area 1, area 15, tax balance sheet, area 20, cost accounting depreciation, and area 30, consolidated balance sheet in local currency, and area 31, consolidated balance sheet in group currency, and then area 32, book depreciation in group currency, and area 41, investment support deducted from asset, and area 51, investment support to posted liabilities. Okay, I can see right here our target group is grayed out. Okay, so let's try to put in our accounting principles. This would be GAAP. So let's just, I have clicked the search. I'm going to double check that our uh, ac- accounting group is available. It should be assigned to 0L. So we can see here that that's a target group mm, because they may have conf- customized. There's a lot of users here. They might have customized the standards. Okay, so gap is still assigned to 0L. That's what we want. Uh, our chart of accounts is our GL accounts is on 0L. So that's great. Let's use this one. And then for our tax balance sheet, we will also use the gap and cost accounting depreciation. We will also use the gap. Once you hit enter, it will show the target group, which was in the search. And in our consolidated balance sheet, we will be using the local generally accepted principle, which is UK GAAP. We'll just check what uh, accounting principle was used or what we have created, if we have created that, as double check by going to another window. Okay. And from your command field, type in our T code. This is a long one. BTACC principle, accounting principle. That's for accounting principle. And there are a lot of customized generally accounting principles. I think we use GAGB. Let's GAGB. Let's just double check. Yes, this is our configuration GAGB. We also configured, let me double check, UKGB. UKGB. No. So it's JGB. And let's double check in our FinC ledger what we have used. Okay, slash M FinC underscore ledger. Hit enter. Okay, confirm and check just for all the warnings. And we have created an OL is a 0L is a standard, and we have created N2 for our non-leading ledger. Yes, okay, that's correct. N2 non-leading ledger. And let's highlight this and check what accounting principle we assigned. Our company code is TUK2. And yes, we have assigned GAGP. Okay. We have also assigned ZIAS, but right now will be using GAGP. Okay. So let me move this out first. So now we know we can assign GAGB for our consolidated. So let's try to find if it's available here. So you can also search. They have created a lot of test accounting principles, GAGB. Okay, this is ours. And double click it. Yes, the target group is N2. We have created that non-leading ledger and put also GAGB here. Hit enter. Scroll down and we have we need to assign the last three. So here for the last three depreciation areas, we will be using GAAP, okay, generally accepted accounting principles, generally accepted accounting principles. Okay, we'll just look at the right side at the GL, okay, to check the configuration. So this one is area post in real time, this one area does not post, and then this one area post, it's number three, area post depreciation only, and the other items doesn't post. This one posts in real time. Investment support posted to liabilities. Okay, we'll just double check that the GAAP is also assigned to 0L for our company code. Let's move back our window. So let's go back and it's 0L, it's at the top. This is a standard and I've highlighted and I double click the accounting principle and 0L. This is my company code. That's all right. Click next. And yes, we have assigned three accounting principles. It's GAAP, International Accounting Standards, and IFRS. So right now we will use generally accepted accounting principles. So let's move that away and then click Save. GAB2 specify area for accounting principle GAGB that posts APC. Okay, we have this error, but we will be assigning APC later on, but it says that we need to do it right now. So we have not saved this, but we will need to go to specify transfer of APC values. So let me open a new window and we can go to SIMG or SPRO and from the SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, go to Financial Accounting node, and from Financial Accounting node, go to Asset Accounting node, and from uh, Asset Accounting node, please go to General Valuation, and from General Valuation node, go to Depreciation Areas, and to Depreciation Areas node, specify transfer of APC values. Okay, so we have now almost the same areas 0, 1, 15, 20, 30, 31, 32, 41, and 51 with the same name of depreciation areas. So let's see. 0, 0, this means, let's do this on. Okay, for this one, I think that's right. And here in the consolidated, we need it also to put 0, 0 or 0, 0 is the point of posting entry. Okay, so let's change this one to that 30 will be a 0, 0. Okay, so 31 will follow 30. That's what it means. So depreciation will go in here to 0, 1, and then tax balance sheet will follow from 0, 1, which is book depreciation, also this one, and then this one will have a separate, and then this will follow 30. Okay, and this is okay, and this is also okay. Let's remove the checkbox for identical for this one in 41, and this two is okay. So let's save this one. Okay, we hit also another error. Our ZAB2 does not exist. ZAB200 does not exist in T08. Let's check that error. Input values must be defined in table T09.